What is up, guys? So today is the 15th, and the topic is your planning process. So you got some people who go out and they just go to the extremes. They got all these programs, they're putting all the dimensions in, they're calculating everything out to the last drop of glue and the last screw that they're gonna need. They go to the store, they get it all, they boom, bam, assemble that thing, it's done that weekend. No, not me. My planning process is I pretty much just kind of look at whatever I kind of want to make and I just kind of make it happen. My planning process is very simple. I follow a lot of plans for some of the stuff I do, and then other things I just kind of fly by the seat of my pants, and whatever happens, happens. Maybe I'll look at a picture if I'm taking inspiration from somewhere else, like Pinterest or whatever. I'll look at it and I'll kind of make like a little plan in my head. But as far as like putting pen to paper, I don't really do it. It's kind of the way I've been rolling since I started. Now that I'm trying to get into some bigger and nicer projects, there is a lot more planning, but I'm still kind of going by the seat of my pants. I probably make 2 or 3 times the trips to Menards or Ace Hardware or wherever, but oh well. So that's about it, guys. You learned that I have no planning process, and that if you ever see me at the hardware store, chances are I'm actively forgetting what I need. And that's going to do it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Let's get to work.